If you're not hearing any sound in FL Studio, here are a few steps you can try to fix it. First, go to Options at the top of FL Studio, then select Audio Settings. In the Audio tab, find the Devices section. Here, try switching to any of the available devices in the list, then switch back to the device you usually use. Just remember to keep your volume low when switching devices, as the audio might jump to a high level unexpectedly. If you want audio playback outside of FL Studio as well, it's best to select the primary sound driver or the FL Studio ACO driver. If that doesn't help, try checking your system's sound settings. Right-click the speaker icon in your Windows taskbar and choose Sound Settings. Then go to Sound Control Panel. In the list of playback devices, find the one that's currently active, right-click on it, and select Disable. After a moment, right-click again to enable it. If you don't see your device, right-click an empty area in the Control Panel window and select Show Disabled Devices to make sure nothing's hidden. Next, make sure there aren't any other programs using your audio device, as this can sometimes cause conflicts. Check if apps like Discord, any video editing software, or even a browser like Chrome are open, as these can interfere with FL Studio's audio output. If you've tried all these steps and still don't hear anything, the last thing to try is restarting FL Studio or your computer entirely. These steps should help restore sound in FL Studio.